Most people get this wrong and think any app that says, "Sell gift cards for cash" is automatically safe. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is trusting platforms without understanding how payouts and pricing really work. That's where users lose money, or get stuck with delayed payments. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, Raise is still one of the most recognized marketplaces for selling gift cards, but it is not a magic instant cash app. It works more like a marketplace where buyers choose your card, and the price depends on demand, brand, and discount level. In this video, you'll learn how Raise actually works, how much you can realistically earn, and whether it is still the best place to sell gift cards. And stick around, because in a minute I'll show you the mistake Alex made that caused his $100 card to sell for way less than expected. Let's start with how Raise works. You list your unwanted gift card on the platform, set a discount, and wait for a buyer. Once someone purchases it, Raise verifies the transaction and releases your payment. It sounds simple, but timing and pricing matter a lot. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike instant payout apps, Raise gives you control over pricing. You decide how much discount you're willing to offer. For example, John listed a $50 Amazon card at a small discount, and it sold in a few days. But if you set a higher price than market demand, your card might sit there for weeks. But here's the problem. Many beginners expect instant sales. They list a card and assume it will sell immediately. In reality, it depends on demand. Popular brands like Amazon or Walmart sell faster, while niche store cards take longer or need bigger discounts. Now let's talk about payouts. Once your card sells, Raise processes the payment and sends it through approved methods like PayPal or direct deposit depending on your region. The process is safe, but not instant. It can take a few business days. Here's a common mistake. Alex once listed his card at too high a price because he wanted maximum value. But after 2 weeks, it still hadn't sold. When he lowered the discount slightly, it sold within 24 hours. Pricing strategy matters more than just listing. Also, always double-check your card details before listing. A wrong code or incorrect balance can delay approval or cause rejection. Raise has strict verification to protect buyers. So is Raise still worth it in 2026? Yes, but only if you understand how marketplace selling works. It is best for people who want safety and control, not instant cash. To wrap it up, remember this. Raise is safe, pricing determines speed, and patience helps you get better value. If you rush, you lose money. If you plan, you maximize it. If this helped you, hit like, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more honest app reviews and money-saving guides.